Alright, happy Sunday to you. About 4:20 in the afternoon on Sunday. Do a little garage solar power system update here in the garage. Especially these 4 kilovolts. And I have been running the living piss out of these things, at least I think I have been. And I'm going to show you a couple of things. Today I gave them a full charge. I turned off all the circuits over here. I just gave these 4 kilovolts a full charge and just got done, and here are the results. Looking really good. I'm going by state of charge, not by voltage. For some reason these things kind of have their own mind of their own, but all 4 of them on this app right here are showing, let's say, perfect right there. But look at this right here. 25 cycles, and that's one thing that kind of surprises me. I guess I haven't been cycling them or using them or not using them enough or whatever, I don't know. But all of them are reading either 25 or 26 cycles. And I got these last year, September of last year I got these. So in 365 days-ish, I've only cycled them 25 times. These things are going to last freaking forever. The other thing was the temperature is reading 93 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you look down here, got the battery temp monitor right there, says 83. And then this one down here, as you can see, says 81. So, yeah, whatever. So I just switched everything back on to solar / battery power. Got all those switches up. So I'm running a house on solar right now. And everything is rocking and rolling. This one has been giving me some arc faults, this controller. And the reason why is that I've been using the charger function on this guy here. And I don't know if it has a soft charging startup or whatever, but this thing tends to get pissed off and it'll arc. And it seems like it's only in the morning it'll do that. So if you have any idea why it's doing that, it's kind of weird. I do need to open this up and check the connections on the inside. But these 2 guys and those 2 arrays, no problemos. So there you have it. Drama free. About 97 degrees here in the garage. These things are reading about 93 off their BMS. But they don't seem to be pissed off at all. All right, you guys have a good Sunday, the rest of the day, and we'll see you next time.